Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For my makeup look, stay tuned. This is Dr. G sun cream, so you're gonna put some sun cream on the face, very thin. Yeah, and this is black sun pencil. Yeah, so there's some brush the other side. Yeah, so just making some drawing the black, well, like I don't know, the brown brush liner. Yes, liner. Yes. Yeah, I'm sleepy. I wanna sleep. Yes, we drawing the liner. And we drawing liner again. Yes, very tedious. Alright, when it's gonna finish? I don't know. Alright. Yeah, we almost finished. Hang on. Seriously? Alright. Ooh, yeah. I'm pretty, right? Ding. Yeah, see, like there's some liquid. I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's the powder. Baking, the foundation. Yes, foundation. Yeah, see, I'm a Rafiki of Lion King. Wow. Yeah, this is Kill Curver foundation. Is it foundation? Cushion. Yes, cushion. Yeah. So touching my face very softly, like washing my face. Yes. Ooh, yeah. 안녕하세요. 저는 한국 사람이고요. 메이크업을 잘 모르는 사람입니다. 근데 지금 여자친구가 파운데이션을 바르고 있네요. I'm gonna using small wine now. To wear? Oh yeah, this to the lip. Bam. Very delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna using some pinkish brush. I don't know. Coating. I'm gonna coating my lip. Scene number 38. 지금 검정색 브러쉬를 갈색 파운데이션에 이용을 해서 눈가에 열심히 발라줄 거예요. 터칭 해주는 거죠. 좋아요. Look good. Getting clear. Yeah. Scene number 39. 계속해서 눈 작업을 하고 있어요. 그럼 파란색, 아니, 예, 코에 이제 살짝 터칭을 넣어주고요. 눈에 돋보이겠죠? 마스크를 쓸 거라서, 얼굴만 보여줄 거라서, 메이크업을 안 할 거예요. 아래쪽에. 그런 뜻인 것 같아요. Like that. We're not gonna using the brush for the cheek. I'm gonna use the pinkish foundation. Touching my cheek. 이뻐. 많이 이뻐. Okay, so scene number 40 something. We're gonna use the eyelash color. Ooh, look like I'm doing the plastic surgery now. Ooh, yeah, I'm doing the right. I'm doing the left eyes now with the eyelash colors. Now we're going to next stages with some colors. We trying to make eyelash thicker, look very vivid. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. Again, eyelash. Ooh, look like sunflowers. So many girls using that eyelash color. Scared. Very scared. I don't want to use. Oh yeah, but it turns out look prettier. So this is about the makeup look. Pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. I will see you in my next video.